can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Welcome back guys sa my channel. So nandito tayo ngayon sa BGC para puntahan ng Jordan, Manila. So tagal na rin natin guys na hindi nakapunta dito sa Jordan, Manila kasi sobrang busy. Galing tayong Japan, so matagal rin tayong hindi na masyado nakakaalis ng bahay guys. And naka face mask tayo kasi ingat guys kasi may kumakalat na namang sakit ngayon. So tara, check na natin yung mga bagong labas ngayon dito sa Jordan, Manila. Magkano yan? 10.8. Yeah, it's on sale. Ang daming naka-sale ngayon dito guys. Yan, 20%. 20%, so 30%. So kayo nang bahala mag-compete dito guys. Ito walang nakalagay. Ito 20 off. 20 off to guys. So 20% off. Yeah, 20%. Pero ito guys, bagong labas lang. $20 off. 20%. So, kayo na bahala mag-compete yan guys. So 20% to guys. Ito kasi bago lang to eh.
Sabi ko sa inyo, dapat sinama niyo si Minerva at si Mama. O, di sana mag-touch.
Ganda ng pagka-green yan guys.
Kailangan mo rin.
Ito bago lang to. $20 off.
Masyado kasi common to. Masyado common. Masyado madalang pa. Common to.
Hindi na naisin mo.
Oo. Kahit matapos yung girl. Dahil ng sale. 8 price na matigil na lang.
So guys, so may breads pa rito. Pero nasa 7,695. Pang older kids to guys. Ito, 20%. Pero pang kids to guys. Pang grade school. So ito guys, 20% off. So guys, 20% off. So guys, so ito yung bagong lalabas na Jordan 1 na parang mocha vibes. Pero pang kids to eh.
Might be your ride. I'm trying to make it to a higher height. Square when it's time to fight. Pair up with the baddest one. Kona Dalton, Highland Heights, that pipeline. Way later, I found Jigga in my lifetime. I'm catching up and still can't sleep at nighttime. So much going on inside my head, I should talk it out. I can never be no lame if God know my heart is sound. Hand closer to the flame until it spark a cloud. Why they never want to bite, but they be barking loud. I'm really on it, really on it, really on it. Consequences getting real, but we still be on it. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Yeah, I'm really on it, really on it, really on it. Consequences getting real, but we still be on it. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Tell no lies, tell the truth. Yeah. My latest prayer is to climb beyond the point I'm at. Keep elevating, make new lanes and light the path. My latest prayer is to be patient during hard times. Stay prepared to fight for power while my art shines. My latest prayer is to be present and accept the wins. And if I fail, I end up second prayer, I play again. My favorite prayer is when I'm grateful and don't ask for nothing. I'm often selfish, byproduct of not having nothing. I hate that prayer when I feel desperate and don't get no answer. In the silent times, I usually get to taking chances. Well, maybe that was what I needed when I think about it. I just pray that I remember before I drink about it. I say a prayer when I get nervous, then a second one. Stay aware of the mirages in the desert sun. Today I swear I won't be wasteful of my time for nothing. My latest prayer is that I'm thankful when it's said and done. I'm really on it, really on it, really on it. Consequences getting real, but we still be on it. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Yeah, I'm really on it, really on it, really on it. Consequences getting real, but we still be on it. Tell no lies, tell the truth, shame the devil. Tell no lies, tell the truth.
Find us out to see the song. We'll be making these tunes until the weed is gone. We sonic boom, keep the metaphor going. From the farm to the lab, but you already knowing. Another season from the seed to the bong. It's a never-ending cycle, so we never stop growing. Check the style, y'all, I've never been a clone. Cali dad, I got a style on my own. I live in the forest, no shortage on trees. Got a jar in every drawer full of foliage. OG, cooling with my homies on a Saturday. Up in the the studio, no matter what the forecast. Gotta let the angels out, don't listen to iconoclast. Put on the boombox, turn up the speakers blast. Flip the backyard, blunt fresh, leaf wrap. Tune the frequency until it leaked the tree sap. Wet the mix, filter in the good vibes. Wish I had a pad and pen, keep this analog alive. Instead I type on this keypad like it was Mastino. Vaping with the packs too, never spin a C-load on a tree, not a freeload. Always got enough steeds for me and my people. This medicine help us see that we all regal. Whether it's the skunk or the haze, it's the lethal. We kill all the evil, thanks and praise for the chance to be alive. Nice to meet you, there's beauty in the eye and I see you. God lives inside, that's the reason that we see through. Odd as it seems when we're looking through this lens as the preview. Use every day like it's a cleanse and a redo. That's why I write these rhymes, I like to read you. So I spend this time to make it quality, to reach your deepest heart space and feed you. Only the finest of ingredients. I share my art cause it's a gift, no room for greediness. Get out your piece, slow the bowl, smoke some weed to this. And if you like me, this hip hop, we need this. Cause we lifers in this bitch, I ain't going nowhere. Pull out your lighters, give a flick, cause we bout to go there. Pull out your cameras, take a flick, moment that we can't share. Don't lose your focus though, you'll notice that my opus keeps going. It's the closest thing I know to religion, this is tree music. Find us out at Cedar Song. We'll be making these tunes until the weed is gone. We sonic boom, keep the metaphor going. From the farm to the lab, but you already know. Another season from the seed to the bong. It's a never-ending cycle, so we never stop growing. Check the style, y'all, I've never been a clone. Cali dad, I got a style on my own.
Ooh.